In section 6-7, we're going to talk about box and whisker plots. To make a box and whisker plot, you need 5 points, and then you graph these 5 points over a number line. The 5 points that you need are your minimum value, your first quartile, which is the median of the lower half of numbers, the median, which is the middle number, the third quartile, which is the median of the upper half, and the maximum value. So you need your highest number, your lowest number, and then your 3 medians. You put your numbers in order, increasing order, smallest to largest, and then you count how many numbers you have, and you find the median. Then once you find the median, you find the median of the lower half, and then find the median of the upper half. Okay, and then circle your max and min value. Once you have your 5 points, you draw a number line that's going to include all of your numbers. So you don't have to go up by 1. You can go up by 2s or 5s or 10s, whatever's going to fit all of your numbers nicely on a number line. You do need to space your numbers evenly, so you can't just put the 5 numbers that you get on the number line. You have to go up by the same amount. So you put your 5 dots above your number line, and then you draw a rectangle from the Q1 and Q3, which is the first quartile and the third quartile, and you use that to make a rectangle. And you put a vertical line through the box at the median, and then you draw little horizontal lines from the edge of the rectangle out to the max and min. Those are your whiskers. So you make a box, and you put 2 whiskers on the side, and that's why it's called a box and whisker. All right, so let's try this. We have a whole bunch of numbers, so the best thing to do first is to put everybody in order. All right. Okay, so my smallest number seems to be 11, and 2 of those. And then I have a 12, 13, 14, 17, okay, oh, I missed a 13. 13, 14, and 17. Okay, now move on to the 20s. And I see a 22, 23, and a 28. 30s, I have 1, 2 32s. I have a 37 and a 38. Okay, and then the 40s, 41, 46, 47, 48, and 49. 46, 47, I need to come down a little bit. 48, 49. 50s, I just have a 56. 60s, 65. 76, 78. And 82, 83, 84. Okay, did I get everybody? Looks like it. Okay, so let's start figuring out all of our medians and our quartiles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 numbers. So half of 26 is 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here are my middle two numbers. So my median, okay, so you want to label your 5 points. Min, Q1, median, which is sometimes called Q2, Q3, and your max. Well, my median is going to be halfway between 37 and 38, so that is going to be 37.5. So now my first quartile is the median of this lower half of numbers from 11 to 37. So let's change color so we can do that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here's my first quartile. Here's my minimum number. Now let's do the median of the upper half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I get a middle number of 56. And my maximum number was 84. So these are the 5 numbers that I'm going to need. Okay, so I'm going to have to scroll, but I'm going to have to take the writing away. So if you need to pause the video, pause it so you can copy all that down, because it's going to disappear. All right. Okay, so now let's give ourselves a number line. Okay, now I had to go from 11 to 84. So I'm going to start with like a number 10, and I'm going to go up by tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, I can go to 100 if I want. Okay, so now let's revisit what my numbers were. So the min was 11, Q1 was 17, the median, or Q2, was 37.5, Q3, the third quartile, was 56, and the max was 84. So now I'm just going to eyeball where these 5 numbers would go. 11 would be a little bit past the 10. Stop it. Okay. 17 would be just before the 20. Stop. And 37.5 is between 30 and 40, but closer to 40. And then 56 is halfway between 50 and 60. And 84 is between 80 and 90. So I put my 5 dots. Now, the second and the fourth dot are what I use to make my rectangle. Whoops, try to make it go through that. And then you put a vertical line through the median, and then you just connect the endpoints. So you get a box and 2 whiskers. Okay, so it was a lot of directions, but it's really just finding all the middle values of all the parts and then plotting them on a number line. And that is it.